Hey guys, quick video for today. We just went to Trentham Falls. Yeah, we just went there. Well, it's just like a spur of the moment. We went to Dalesford, I reckon. Yeah, but this is just about Trentham Falls. We went there and it was closed, so we had to jump over the fence or something. But yeah, this is it. Just no story, nothing at all. Just memories from that day. Yeah, that's it. Hah? Oh. Oh. Picture ka? Ato ka? Unsa? Tanong? Chinanas. Bantay ha, hait. Hait na. Yeah, basically that's it. So the end of the video, we went to Dalesford, the lake, and the problem is I had a vlog then, but it was more of a Visaya vlog, so I might upload it. I don't know here, but it's on my Visaya channel. Yeah, was using an Osmo Action, and yeah, it's memories, man, memories. That's important.